Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This video lecture is for class 4 subject SST lesson number 4 and the lesson name is the Western Highlands. Today we will do words meaning from lesson number 4. First word is coast. Coast mean sahil. Second word is further. Further mean mazid. Third word is snowy. Snowy mean barfili. Next word is peak. Peak mean choti. Next word is borders. Borders mean hudud. Next word is difficult. Difficult mean mushkil. Next word is irrigate. Irrigate mean पानी देना. Next word is invader. Invader mean हमला करने वाला. Next word is valley. Valley mean wadi. Next word is sandy. Sandy mean retla. I am repeating again these words. This word is coast. This word is coast. Next is further. Next is snowy. Next is peak. Next is borders. Next is difficult. Next is irrigate. Next is invader. Next is valley. And last is sandy. I hope you will understand. Thank you so much.